Find features that distinguish it from other brands. For iHomey Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, lasts 120 minutes, smart sensor, automatic vacuum, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. The product has been upgraded, the charging port now does not need to be with a cover, and it is completely waterproof. Fast charge, long runtime. Vita Pool Vacuum fully charges in just 2.5 hours, providing over 120 minutes of continuous cleaning power. Ideal for flat above ground pools and in-ground pools with no slopes and steps, it covers a maximum working area of 914 square feet or 85 square meter. Robotic Pool Cleaner, no worry longer about cord entanglement and the risk of power short out. It autonomously cleans your swimming pool, giving you the freedom to focus on other important activities. Enjoy the convenience of pool maintenance. Self-parking. Equipped with Discover module, ensuring it effortlessly rebounds off the obstacles or pool walls. This feature guarantees continuous cleaning without interruptions, ensures it never gets stuck when cleaning is complete or the battery is low. It automatically stops near the pool's edge. The included hook makes retrieval effortless. Long-lasting robotic pool cleaner. Featuring a high-quality shell to ensure long-lasting use. It's easy to clean, built-in filter extends its service life, making it a dependable solution for keeping your flat above-ground pool clean over time. Attention, this robotic pool cleaner can be used in pools with slopes less than 18 degrees. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.